The big issue that we haven't considered is that we've slipped into a lifestyle that's the opposite to what we need to be healthy. So for children and adults, that's expressing itself as increased headaches, neck pain, back pain, stress, and even chronic illnesses like obesity and diabetes, and even cognitive decline. We know that the physical affects the mental as much as the mental affects the physical. And we know that when you're in pain, you're more irritable and fatigued and stressed. And we also know that that head down posture that we see so often is connected to feelings of anxiety, helplessness, and hopelessness. The potential long-term risk, yes. Without early action, children are facing serious long-term risks like chronic health issues from poor posture and lack of fitness, myopia and reduced social skills and attention skills, and even overuse issues like carpal tunnel syndrome. Gen Zs are already entering the workforce already injured, and primary school kids are showing pre-arthritic postures. Digital dementia is the cognitive decline that you get from excessive device use, especially for young people, and it's linked to memory loss, reduced focus, and even behavioural issues. Parents can help by leading by example. Encourage more tech-free family time, and if using devices, make sure your laptop has a laptop stand, an external keyboard and mouse, and make sure you have more movement breaks. Yes, phones are addictive and distracting and can be a safety issue in public spaces. And that head down posture creates a lot of stress on our neck and shoulders and is linked to that emotional distress. I believe the economic impact of this overscreen use is going to be big. We already have an aging workforce with increasing chronic health issues. Gen Zs are entering the workforce already injured with increased levels of anxiety and depression, and musculoskeletal issues alone are already costing the Australian economy over $55 billion a year. And that's just one of the health issues that we're now talking about. It is now essential for companies to expand training to build self-care skills for all their computer users. The risks are too great to ignore for your people and for your business. So let's work together. Beyond Ergo is ready to help you and your organisation take the next step to introduce these new Ergo and self-care competencies that will empower your teams, increase productivity and reduce the cost and risk of work injury claims.